students, last class we discussed about how to find and replacing the text and drop cap in MS Word. Today we are going to see the some more options in MS Word. First one is applying column formatting. Students, see this image. Students, you must have noticed that a newspaper has column. It is used to improve readability. Word allows you to adjust your columns by adding column breaks. Now I am going to explain how to add columns to the document. First, select the text you want to format in the column. So I want this paragraph. I want to make it as a column. First you got to select that one and then you got to click the page layout option, that is layout, this layout option, and then in the page setup group you got to choose the column option. Here see, you got to select the number of column you want to create. Here I am going to choosing 2. Now the text will be formatted into 2 columns. See here, this is the left side, this is the right side. Now my text will be formatted into 2 columns. This way you have to format your adjusting your column into number of column. And then next one is setting line spacing. You can control the vertical space between the line of text. Using this option, you can increasing space to improve the readability and reduce it to fit more text on the page. Line spacing is a space between each line in the paragraph. Word allows you to customize the line spacing to single spaced, that is 1 line high, and double spaced, that is 2 line high, or any other amount you want. Students, see in this image you can compare different types of line spacing. So now I will explain how to set line spacing. So in this paragraph, first you got to select the paragraph first. This paragraph I want to set the line spacing. Line spacing means vertical space between the line. And the next you got to click the home tab and click the line spacing option from paragraph tab. Click this arrow mark. Here you got to choose the required line spacing. Suppose I want 2.0 means see the what is see here, click it 2.0. See this vertical space between the line, and I'm choosing another one. See the 1.0 means see the space. Suppose I giving 3. See there. So this way you can set the required line spacing in your paragraph. Okay. Next option is setting paragraph spacing. You can format spacing between lines in your document. You can adjust spacing before and after paragraph. This is useful for separating paragraphs, headings and subheadings. Now I will explain how to set paragraph spacing. First, you got to select the paragraph or paragraphs you want to format. Now click the layout tab and then click the before and after spacing option in paragraphs group. This is the before paragraph spacing. This is the after paragraph spacing. Using this arrow mark, you can increase and decrease the amount of space you want. This is the increasing and then decreasing. Same like in the after paragraph also, you can increase and decrease the amount of space you want. And the next option is setting page margin. Page margin or the blank space around the edges of the page. The space seen all the 4 sides of page is called the top margin, left margin, and then right margin and bottom margin. If you want to setting the margin, all the text and images are inserted inside the margin. So follow the given step to set margins in your document. Click the layout tab and choose the margin drop down arrow in the page setup group. This is the page setup group. This is the merge option in the page layout tab. See here, you can choose your desired margin option. The changes will be applied immediately in your document. You can choose any type of margin. You can just immediately apply in your document. And the next option is the orientation. Orientation means layout position of the paper for printing. See here. See this option. There are two ways to you can set the orientation of the page. First one is portrait. Second one is landscape. What is mean by portrait? See in this picture. First one is taller than it is wider is called portrait. And the second image is wider than it is taller is called landscape. Now you can see how to set page orientation. Click the page layout option. Next, you have to choose the orientation option from page setup group. See here, you can choose the type of layout position you want, portrait or landscape. See the portrait means the pages is taller than is wider, and then landscape means the pages is wider than it is taller is called landscape. Students, practice all this option. I will continue remaining option on next class. Thank you.